Alright guys, we're doing a real basic speed unboxing here of the Superheroes Vinyl Figures Mystery Mini Hot Topic exclusive. So I'm trying to complete this set, and there's a couple that I do not have. I think from the Hot Topic, but from the regular. I know I need this right here, the fish or whatever it is by the Joker. I have to go back. There's some others, but Hot Topic had a humongous blind box sale about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Plus these were on clearance, so I got major deals on them. So I just bought them all. I'm like, you know what? It'll be fun to unbox them, and hopefully I'll get the ones I'm missing. And they're on clearance big time. Alright, so let's just go. We're just going to fire through these really quick, because we've opened these tons of times, so we'll get to see. Here we go. Who we get. If we can get through the plastic here. Whoa. Epic fail there, guys. Sorry. You took a tumble. Alright, I was grabbing my scissors and I knocked the phone over. I'm not using my tripod because I'm like, we're going to do a quick fire video and unbox here. But that means I'm knocking things over, and you guys take a tumble with the video camera. And I'm breaking down the boxes as we go, so we can just put all this trash in the garbage. Oh, Batman. Batman. Okay, let's see if we get this one here. Next one. I'm going to have to pull these out to see all the ones I have, because I don't remember. Because I have been buying these for quite a while. They've been on sale so many times at Hot Topic, and whenever they're on sale, I grab them. Superman. And so that's why I have so many of them. But that's why they're not all together as well, because I've opened them several times over the span of several months. And I don't always keep my stuff in the same spot if I'm opening it sporadically, which I should keep it all together. Ooh, we got another pet. Yay. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Alright, this one looks like it was opened at the store and they taped it back together. So hopefully it's still in its bag. Yep, still in its bag. That's a good thing. Let's break down this box here. I'm trying to make an easy cleanup for myself when the video's done. Alright, who do we get? Ooh, we're getting all the pets. Look at that. Sweet. I do like all the pets that come in this series. They're pretty fun. Alright, here we go. What do we get? I might have like 5 million duplicates of all of these. Who knows? We'll see. But that's okay, they were really cheap. Oh, here's our first duplicate from our boxes. Batman. And these Hot Topic exclusives. Well, this one was actually. That's Hot Topic exclusive. I need the Green Lantern, I think. I can't remember. Ooh, Catwoman. There we go. Very cool. Alright, here we go. Plastic off this box. Let's move some of these over. Alright. Garbage. Who's this? Oh, we got another one. We got Crypto, I think. Right? Crypto? A dog is cute. It's a good dog. Good dog. Oh no, they're falling all over. Okay. Here we go. 4 more boxes left. Let's see. We've got 1 duplicate so far. Not too bad. Oh, we got the Joker. Yes. Okay. I think I have the Joker already, but I'm not sure. It's crazy. I can't believe I've opened so many of these, and I can't believe I haven't got one. And it's not even that rare. That little fish that goes with the Joker, the 1 in 36, or the Green Lantern dog, which is or whatever it is. I don't know what that is. A dog, a squirrel, for the Green Lantern, right there. I don't think I have that one yet either. I'm not sure. Ooh, who's this? Oh, Supergirl. There we go. Okay. 2 more boxes. Who we gonna get? Who we gonna get in our next 2 boxes? Okay. Let's see. Garbage. Okay. Ooh, who's this? Ooh, Harley Quinn. There you go, Harley. Very cool. Here's our last box. So, let's see here. Alright. Our last one is Wonder Woman. That's cool, though. We only got 1 duplicate. I still missing that darn fish from the Joker. My goodness, that one's hard to get. Okay, guys, there we go. There was my quick fire Mr. Rennie Funko DC Superheroes unboxings. Hope you guys have fun. Let me know if you guys have these too. If you guys have any up for trade, maybe I'll complete this set someday, or maybe I'll just retire this one and say I'm done. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll be back again soon with a new video. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And make sure to sign up for those alerts so you know when I'm posting a new video. All right, have a good night.